It's a banger.
Hey, hi Fambo. How you do? I'm in Amado. Today I want to show you how to make beats inside Ableton Live. But the same process here, so you go able to do them inside FL Studio, you able to do them inside Cubase, you able to do them inside Logic, or any program where you dey use for make music. But for you go able to follow along for this lesson here, so I also want to show you so you go able to get the light version of the software what they use totally for free, so that you go able to follow along step by step what they are to do. So let's jump inside the computer. Let's show you how you go able to get them for free. Also, the link there is in the description of this video. So we can at the website. Now the website this Ableton the website, and also you see say you go able to download this software. Also, you're able to choose whether you want to download that for Mac or you want to download that for Windows. And these are some of the highlights of the software. If you want to check out more of them things that you go read on your own time and take your time for able read and understand. So Fumble, then video they also I want to make them in Krio, 100% Krio. Also what they do, I want to try for explain in Krio, even things like EQ, things like quantizing, all them things I will explain in Krio so that you go understand. So if you get any tips and any suggestion, there please left under the comments. And if you want, you get time, you enjoy this video, share on to if I'm them to you, paddy them. What else sabi? Awali yourself sabi am. The small one sabi, yourself go sabi small because one finger, not the big stone and ground. Make la know what I will improve in the coming videos, and I will try to put this video also weekly so that we'll be able to be consistent. And if you get any suggestion or anything we want to learn for music, make la know so I go make this video again. I will make video about dancing and day. Without any delay, let's go to the beats. On Ableton Live, the first thing this way they see. So the thing about Ableton Live, you get two way they make music. You get the session view, when at this view also, when we say now they make loops them. But also if you want to change this view also to arrangement view, so like the most common view where you go know if you use FL Studio for example, or if you use Logic or any other music program, you go know the arrangement view. For going inside that view, they just need for press the tab button. So we press the tab button, you get this view here. So now the view this way they get normally if you open FL Studio, Logic or anything. So yeah, so now you go able to tap tempo in. So how much you tap at that tempo they can. We tap on 4 temp at that tempo they come, you know. So this one also now the stop button, this one now the play button, and this one now the record button. Also now they all your instruments and they. So let's say you want to add instruments. You go also now instruments, you go now instrument rack. This right now I want to add piano. So you go now pianos and keys. If you double click the piano they come now also. Also, if you take this piano also you click on, you drag on also, then you put on this track here. As long as now MIDI track, it will take the piano. You see? So that's the other way for put the piano also on the track. This one also now you metronome. Now that sound where they make tick tack tick tack. So the thing is if you click this one also where this one also come on, for example, if I press play, it will read the metronome will begin for click. So let's begin and back. Tick tack tick tack. So that sound they really agree so now that sound in another metronome. Like just like FL Studio or any other program, you're also able to draw by this program here. So when you don't select down there, you right click the mouse, then you can you see insert MIDI clip. When you press down there, you get a MIDI clip. So now you see. You get all your key then also, then you get the space now where the right bar. So if you press the B now your keyboard, you're able to put the pencil on for right. So if you press by the same thing again, it go just like FL Studio. But just like FL Studio, if you want to hear what's in you play, if you press this small thing now, so we turn blue, anything we press, the sound they come. So low erase there first. Okay. So other way also, for put the pen on. If you can't also, you press this here also, the pen they can on. When you see press on there, see, also they able write. For example, you don't do this so, you want to draw a C chord, you know? You able press this, and E. You press B again, then the pencil come out. Then you draw this so. When you don't select all, you draw and so. You get a longer chord, you know? So if you press play now, you hear the C chord. See? So that is one way for begin for make you beat them. You get all the instruments them we need, and this was so now they pack them what they use or pack them what I get from other artists them. But I go advise you for let you go on the Somatic website. I will put our website also on the description of the link so that you go able to download then thing there also, you know.